Hey guys, welcome back to the Snap-Ring Chronicles. We're coming back at you with another Ratchet video. This time something from Duralast. Duralast is one of the brands from Autozone. Autozone Auto Parts Store. When you go to their tool section, tool aisle, you usually find the brand Duralast. And this is the 72-129 half-inch drive ratchet. A not so classic ratchet. This was probably put out within the last 10 years, maybe a little bit longer. But the one thing I do like about these ratchets is that right here it says it has a twin pawl, so kind of reminiscent of like the round head fine tooth ratchets from Craftsman, or the Williams round heads, which would double twin pawls. And those Williams are amongst my favorite sort of ratchets, round head ratchets. But before we jump into all that, remember to give me a like, and more important, subscribe to this channel. If you find any of these ratchet or tool videos at all helpful or entertaining, you know, if you get anything out of it, drop me a subscription. It's free. So yeah, so here we go with the Duralast. On the bottom, doesn't have a country of origin, has guaranteed for life. Don't know, I don't usually go and buy retail at AutoZone for tools. Once in a blue moon I might stop by and see what's on the rack, but I rarely catch anything on sale or clearance, so I don't really go there that much. I haven't heard anything bad about their warranty though. It says guaranteed for life. The only thing is that they kind of every couple of years they change the designs of the ratchets pretty often. So if you go, I'm sure if I went in with this on warranty, I'm not gonna get this back or something exactly the same model back. I don't think they carry this anymore, and that goes for a lot of their ratchets. Through, I say, the last 10 years, they've had several model changes in their Taiwan style ratchets. But anyhow, let's take a look at this one. The handle is smooth, has a couple of cutouts here and here, a couple of rings. And this one happens to be a quick release also. So it's a round head, twin pawl, quick release, a la Craftsman round head fine tooth. Has a wheel or a thumb wheel also on the top side, the switch side here. And you can't switch this if it's up. If the switch isn't depressed, you have to press it down so you can switch it. You're not able to switch it when it's up like that. So that's one thing that's kind of I don't know, kind of weird maybe, because if you have a socket on it and you want to switch, you have to press it, and most likely the socket's gonna fall out. So just one thing, kind of a quirk in this particular model. And this has the ring. I took the ring out a little bit, so it's easier for me just to take out right now. And this is what the ring looks like. It's kind of don't know if they did this on purpose. Usually rings are kind of flat like that, but maybe this was to take up some slack in the tolerance between the edge here of the body and the edge of the channel there. Probably. Or maybe just a bad ring, who knows. Okay, so you push this out, and here is the main body and the teeth. You can see how many teeth there are there. Probably like 45 teeth. So maybe like 90 positions or something like that, because it's double pawl. So you're gonna hear, let me stick it back in for a second. You hear the alternating clicks boom, 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 boom. So that's each side of the pawl, like engaging alternately. So it gives you more positions, even though there's like, I don't know, 40, 50 teeth on here. It gives you double the positions of that, of how many teeth there are. But the broaching looks pretty decent. Looks pretty clean. The teeth look like they're formed pretty well. And the problem here is that you can't take it apart. So this particular model, it's not gonna come apart. So if you have one of these, like I said, and it breaks, you're gonna need the whole mechanism to get it up and running. But there you can see some of the workings. Looks like pretty good machining. I mean, there's a little bit of space in between the body and the paw there, but not much. So the tolerance are decent. I've seen worse in some name brand ratchets. You can see the paw here is about, looks like 3 teeth per side on each paw. It's kind of hard to switch when it's not in the body, but yeah, about 3 teeth per paw. And the paws are pretty decent size. This is a 1/2 inch, and like I said, it was quick release. So it has a quick release plunger, and there is the ball detent, and it looks well centered. So all in all, looks like a pretty decent round head ratchet with double paws. Not obviously not USA made, but I wouldn't mind carrying this or using this, a ratchet like this. Seems pretty robust to me. Here's a closer look at the switch. Has an H, not sure what that is, just twin paw and push, and arrows for right and left. So I kind of like this ratchet, but like I said, I like double paw round head ratchets. There aren't that many out there. Usually round heads have single paw, like SKs and stuff. There's a few models out there that have double paws, like some proto challengers, like I said, the Williams, the Craftsman round head fine tooth, and probably a few others that have this double paw style design. Yep, so this is going to be a quick video. Like I said, not a classic ratchet, but a decent attempt at a classic design from Duralast a la Taiwan. And that's all I have for now. Okay guys, until next time.